welcome to another episode of the Coin Mining Geek YouTube channel. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure you go and subscribe, guys, because it helps the YouTube algorithm no end. Speaking of algorithms, that's exactly what I'm here to do, to explain to you in 2 minutes or less today what an algorithm is according to cryptocurrency mining. Now, if you don't know what cryptocurrency mining is, please head on over to my other videos, and I start with a basic introduction as to what cryptocurrency mining is and the two different ways, proof of work and proof of stake, how you can actually mine. So why do we need to know what a cryptocurrency algorithm is? Because when you go and purchase a miner, which that video is coming up shortly, spoiler alert, you need to know which algorithm you're going to be mining on, because the ASIC machines, the application-specific integrated circuitry miners, are the most efficient mining machines that you can purchase. And in buying one of those, you need to know which algorithm you're going to be mining, because that's the coin that you're going to be paid out in. So to give you an example, SHA-256 is the Bitcoin algorithm. So if you buy an SHA-256 algorithm-based miner, I know, confusing, but it's very, very simple, I promise, and I'll explain this all on a future video. You will only mine and be rewarded in Bitcoin. If you buy a Scrypt, an SCRYPT algorithm-based miner, you'll get paid out in Litecoin. And depending on the mining pool that you go inside of, you'll get rewarded with Dogecoin as well. The reason the Scrypt mining algorithm specifically is so profitable is because of the reward of Dogecoin, not necessarily because of Litecoin in itself. Now, there is lots of different algorithms for lots of different tokens and coins, guys. It just depends on which coin you'd like to mine. Now, there is different mining pools that you can set up, which you get paid and rewarded for mining in the coin of your choice, but obviously they're a little bit more expensive. They take a certain percentage for doing that, because as we know, when you transact in cryptocurrency, you get charged a gas fee or a network fee to do that transaction. But I'm going to cover all of that in cryptocurrency mining pools, guys. So to wrap it up, a cryptocurrency mining algorithm is the algorithm associated with a token on that ASIC miner, which means you only mine that token, and that's how you get rewarded. Thanks, guys, for joining me for another video on the Coin Mining Geek channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for that YouTube video algorithm, and I will see you on the next one.